Hello girls, now we'll see the next assignment, that is enter the online examination marks of the student and find out maximum marks and minimum marks using heap. So in this assignment our input is again online examination marks for the students. So first of all we'll ask user enter the total number of students. That value will be stored in variable n. After getting that, this heap is nothing but the array where the marks will be stored. So in this heap array, at the first location, 0th location, total number of students will be entered. After that, using this for loop, we will enter one by one element from the user. Then we will display the array element. This heap is nothing but the name of array. So using this display function, array elements will be displayed, that is marks of the students. Then we'll call the create max function on this array. Create max function will create the max heap, and we know that max heap always gives us the root element which is having maximum value. So we will print the value of that root element, that is nothing but the maximum marks. Then we'll call the function create min. This function creates the min heap. So naturally the root element is nothing but the minimum element of all the other elements. So we will just display the first element of the heap array, that is minimum marks, and this is the only objective we want to achieve. Now this is whole program. How create max function works? This create max function is nothing but use of for loop and call to the down adjust function. Here n is nothing but the heap of 0, means total number of elements will be stored in variable n. Then we will call this for loop where I is equal to n by 2. If the total number of elements are 10, then I is equal to 5, means we will consider the last parent of the complete binary tree. So from this last element we will make the adjustment to create the max heap using down adjustment function. This down adjustment function is same. This is our complete binary tree. From this complete binary tree, this is the last parent that we are going to consider, and if this parent is having minimum value than its child, then we are going to perform swapping as here. Then we will decrement I by 1, so I will be 24 now. Again consider the children of this. This is left child, this is right child. Which is greater between this? This is the greater element. Compare this element with parent. If swapping is required, then do the swapping. Continue this till we will reach to the root. Then finally we will get the max heap, and this max heap gives us maximum element at the root position, so display this. In minimum heap, do the same thing. The difference is that only when you are considering the last parent, then compare the parent with its child. If the child is greater than parent, then don't swap. If the child is less than parent, then perform the swapping. And while completing the loop, the root element gives you minimum value of the tree and print that value. So this is create max, for loop and down adjustment function. If you are not getting my explanation, then read the book and see the down adjustment function. This is the display function which displays the contents of the array using this for loop and cout statement. This is down adjustment function where n gives you the total number of elements, while you know the value of I, that is n by 2, and after that 2 multiplied by I means left child. J is equal to 2 into I. So if left child is greater than j plus 1, j is 2 into I, j plus 1 means right child, 2 into I plus 1. So see, if j plus 1 is less than equal to n, and heap of j plus 1 is greater than heap of j. J is left child, j plus 1 is right child. So if the right child is greater, then j is equal to j plus 1. Else j will remain as it is. J is equal to 2 into I. Now compare, we got whether left child is greater or right child is greater. Then compare that child with the parent. If parent is having less value than the child, then perform swapping. So the same swapping is done here. After the same code, flag is made 0, and here if required swapping is done. This is creation of maxif. The same procedure is followed here also, only the condition is that if the child is less than the parent, then only swapping is done. Okay, so this assignment is also simple. Explain the logic of the assignment using such type of example. One example for max heap and one example for min heap, and then explain the logic.